Welcome to our review of portable washing machines. Today, we're comparing two compact options that promise convenience and efficiency for your laundry needs. The Housekley portable washing machine and the Nixod portable washing machine both have their unique features. But which one will come out on top? Let's find out! When it comes to washing capacity, the Housekley model offers an 11-liter capacity, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the Nixod model boasts a larger 15-liter capacity, allowing you to wash more clothes at once. This difference can be crucial for users with varying laundry needs, especially for families or those who prefer to wash larger batches. Next, we examine the spin drying capabilities of both machines. The Housekley features a basic spin function that may not completely dry your clothes, requiring some manual wringing afterward. On the other hand, the Nixod model comes with an upgraded spin basket that significantly improves drying efficiency, making it a better option for those who want to minimize drying time. Finally, let's consider the materials used in each machine. The Housekley is constructed from PP and Private, while the Nixod is made from TPE and food-grade silicone. This difference in materials not only affects durability, but also the safety and usability of the machines, especially for washing baby clothes or delicate items. In conclusion, both the Housekley and Nixod portable washing machines offer unique advantages. If you prioritize a lightweight and compact design, the Housekley may be the right choice for you. However, if you need a larger capacity and better drying capabilities, the Nixod is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons.